Hey guys, Alec Miles here with eXp Realty, your smart Alec Realtor going the extra miles. And today I'm pleased to present to you 90 Martinet Place. Two-story finished basement with an immaculate garden. You guys are gonna love this. We're close to Veterans Memorial, 401 access, and all the amenities at Argyle Mall. Come check this place out. Okay guys, check out this main floor. We've got formal living and dining room, a beautiful eating kitchen, a great living room nook with a gas fireplace, and a beautiful garden view. Check this out.